I'm Alan Everett from the United States, and the Healthy Child Project is I think a unique innovation because children are really data orphans in what it takes to develop new ways to treat the problems that we have. It's also kind of a new environment that actually links the best clinical centers to develop the new and best methods of care. It's been very difficult for us in North America to be able to link with our colleagues in Europe to work together to solve problems, and the Healthy Child really offers a new model to be able to do that. And the infrastructure that's being developed kind of allows us to think about how to do new things in new ways. We're really honored to be able to be involved with the European institutions to share in developing a new project called SimiChild, which we really believe kind of sets a new paradigm and really sets a new standard for how we can develop new therapies for patients with better care, better safety, and really find new ways to tackle problems that we really never had a way to get at. And I think the collaboration and the cooperation that has got started as the Healthy Child Project and continuing on to SimiChild and others is just really kind of the start and the spark to really kind of set the model for the future. So I'm very happy to participate in it, and couldn't think of a better group to work with than the team that's involved with Healthy Child.